Hey guys, this is Jay and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And this video is all about a room tour here in Belmont. Of course, in our every travel, we have to always feature kung ano yung itsura at ano yung meron yung mga hotel rooms na pinupuntahan natin. So guys, this is the third floor of the Shore building, and here is actually yung kanilang main door. And upon entry, of course, nandiyan na ulit yung door going to the toilet and bath. And on the other side, merong full-length na mirror. And a little over here would be yung kanilang open layout na cabinet. So dito din nakalagay yung kanilang coffee making facilities. They're providing bottled water. Meron ding safe. And then this mini fridge sa ilalim. And for your stuff, like yung mga damit na kailangan nyo i-hang, they have here like 5 hangers. And then the rest could be placed there sa taas. So medyo makalat siya, pero ito lahat ng yan, mga gamit namin yan. And actually, if you do have your luggages, kasya din siya dito sa ilalim ng area to. So yun na siya guys, yung hallway from the main door ng ating toilet and bath, full-length mirror, and then nandito yung ating cabinet. And over here would be our beds. So ang room na to is good for 2. So meron siyang dalawang single beds. And yung color ng Belmont, which is this mustard yellow with touches of blue. Ayan yung pinaka-accent nila, including those pillows there, pati yung pillow na nandoon. They also do provide yung robe na ito. So if you need them, it's readily available here. And then yung pinaka table, bedside table, is just one here sa gitna ng dalawang single bed. Plus yung lahat ng mga switches ng lights all around the room. So nandito na siya para hindi na siya mahirap i-control whenever you are already in the bed. On the other side, meron ditong another table which is a coffee table. Beside this lounge. Yan, single seat lang siya, tapos may katabi na table, nandito din yung kanilang phone system. And beside this area, ito na yung pinaka way to the balcony, covered of course by this curtain na meron ding color ng mustard of Belmont. So pretty much yun na siya, yung room na to. So ayan yung coffee area or work area if you need to work, the bed, tapos ayun yung bedside table over there. This area here is actually blank. Walang nakalagay, so you could put actually your luggages over here. This is an open space, walang masyadong nakalagay dyan. But then again, you could keep it as is kasi again, sabi ko kanina, meron naman ditong space na kasya yung lahat ng mga gamit na meron kayo. By the way, they do also have this hamper here. Yan, nilalagyan namin ng mga gamit na damit. Pero hindi yan doon nakalagay. Dito yan nakalagay sa ilalim ng hanging area na to. So mamaya papakita ko kung ano itsura ng toilet and bath, and also kung ano itsura nung nasa labas, no? Which is actually facing yung pinaka main road dito sa New Coast. Quick information about this room, guys. We were actually able to book this at a very sulit rate, around 2,700. That's good for 2, and also inclusive of buffet breakfast. So actually very good price na siya given that yung stay namin dito is actually during the Holy Week, which is considered as peak season here in Boracay. So in this vlog, papakita ko din kung ano pa yung other facilities, amenities that we have here in Belmont, including yung place where they are actually serving the breakfast, yung lobby, yung pool area, and all those stuff. Mamaya yan. For now, let's check the toilet and bath. So guys, ito naman yung CR nila. Ito yung door ng CR. Kanina pinakita ko. Katapat nung full-length mirror. And then they're providing of course yung bath towel. And then this smaller one. Dito ang ating toilet with bidet naman. So that's good. And then over here would be yung sink area. Meron ditong provided na hair blower. And they're providing of course yung typical na soap. Sorry, this one is the lotion, tapos yung soap, and the dental kit. And dito sa shower, they're just providing this hair and body wash in this container. So wala yung mga maliliit na usually inuuwi natin every time we're in a hotel. Which is pretty good kasi at least, di ba, bawas basura, yung every ganyan equivalent to 1 basura. So, eto na lang yung meron sila dito. And of course, they do have this hot and cold shower. And pati yung water dito sa faucet na to is hot and cold. And that's pretty much it. So, hindi ganun kalaki yung CR nila. Ito yung shower, ito yung sink, and dito yung toilet. So, yun lang siya. So, tara doon naman tayo sa balcony. Ito naman guys yung nasa terrace nila. So pag labas, actually yung maganda to kasi kapag ino-open nyo to, automatic na mamatay yung AC. So sort of pagtitipid, which is very good. So kapag naka-open siya, automatic na mamatay yung AC. By the way, yung meron dito sa balcony is just yung ito, maliit na hamper for your wet clothes. Akala ko madumi. May mga ano lang pala ng mga paint, pero you could use that. And then you have here yung seat na may pull out. Yan, na table. So you could have your coffee. Okay, if you want to work here, you could do that. Guys, we're going out for our breakfast and papakita ko din sa inyo kung ano itsura dito sa labas. Yung bawat floor nila dito sa Shore Building may ganitong area. So open siya. Now we need to transfer elevators, tapos pupunta tayo dun sa kabilang building kasi nandun yung kanilang restaurant. Yung connecting way from shore to the island building, which is here. Nandito ang kanilang pool area. So ito siya guys. Ayan Yan yung pool area nila, which is 3 feet to 5 feet. Yan. So hindi siya malaking pool, para siyang square pool lang, but good for both for kids and adults. And then pagpasok here sa island building, andito yung gym. And over here naman yung kanilang spa. Tapos dito banda, ito na yung lobby nila dun sa baba. So mag-stairs lang tayo. Guys, yung lobby nila, yan, medyo madami na nag-check out kasi Sunday today, so for sure madami nating pabalik naman nila. They have this beautiful stairs on my back. Event din sila ngayon kasi today is Easter Sunday, so meron silang siniset up doon na Easter bunnies, and I know that they are also offering today yung merienda for the Easter. Nandito tayo guys sa Belmont Cafe. Dito nila sinaserve yung buffet breakfast every day. Pero regular restaurant siya from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. This restaurant is actually just within the floor ng lobby nila. Nandun yung lobby, tapos ito yung sa restaurant. Again, this is called Belmont Cafe. Malawak din naman yung restaurant nila kasi yung up until doon na may covered baka mga ginagawa yung private rooms kapag regular hours na, pero it's open during the breakfast for all the guests. To be fair, yung sa spread ng food nila, they actually have enough, like they have the meat, fish, meron din vegetable, salad, mga congee soup, breads, wide selection of drinks, and yeah, I think that's just good enough for a regular buffet breakfast. We are done here with our breakfast, so let's try to look around kung ano pa yung meron dito sa Belmont. So we're here sa exit going to the promenade. Yung way na to, merong going to the beach. Yan, ito guys yung kanilang promenade. And this way is yung going to the New Coast Beach. May restaurant din dito sa dulo ng promenade nila. Ito yung Wolfgang's Steakhouse Grill. Yan siya. At ang init guys, I don't know why we are doing this to ourselves. It's past 10 a.m. Yan ang New Coast Beach featuring Boracay's Keyhole. So guys, we tried enjoying the beach of White Coast, New Coast. Actually, parang first time namin mag-dip here sa New Coast Beach. And it's nice. Malamig yung tubig pero sobrang init na, kaya let's go back. Kung kailan talaga pa-check out. Tsaka tayo nag-beach. Ganda din dito kasi as you can see, walang masyadong mga tao. We only have like a few there na mga foreigners, And then here, parang apat lang kami nag-enjoy ng beach. We are so done here guys because time is up. It's already 11 in the morning. Kataasan ng araw. By the way guys, yung check out ng sa room natin is 12. And if ever you would need to extend, that's 1,500. So it's a no.
Rocky.